Good morning viewers. This is the first class of relation. Yesterday we have discussed about ordered pairs and did some examples and some problems of ordered pairs. Today this is the first class of relation. Now at first we have to go through the definition of relation. That is, a relation R from a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs of A cross B. The second element is called the image of the first element. Okay. Now again, a relation R from a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs of A cross B. The second element is called the image of the first element. Now, to understand this definition, we have to go through this example. Now here it is given that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation R from A to A by x, y by R is a relation which is an ordered pair, and y is equal to x plus 1. This is the relation between x and y. X is the first element and y is the second element. And next write down domain, codomain, range. Now first take to set this is A and this is also A to A. It is clearly said that the relation is from A to A. Now write down 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the point. Okay. Now 1 goes to which element? 1. If you put x is equal to 1 in this relation, then you will get y is equal to 2. That is, y is always more than 1 from x. That is, 1 is ranges to 2, 3, 4, this A set, set A is also denoted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the first element of 1 is related with 2 because 2 is 1 more than x. Okay, so draw an arrow. 2 from 3. 3 is 1 more than 2. 4 is 1 more than 3. Therefore 3 and 4 are related. 4 and 5 is related, and 5 and 6 is also related because 6 is 1 more than 5. Now I think you have understood what the relation between these two numbers, and these numbers are called first element, and this set is called domain, and this set is called range, and the whole set of the right hand side is called codomain. Okay. Now I am writing domain. The domain set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Then come range set. Range set is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now codomain set is whole set of the right hand side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you write R, that is the relation in ordered pair, that is in the form of xy. First you write this problem 1 2 1 2 2 3 3 4 5 6 6 7, but there is no 7, therefore 6 is not included in the domain set. Okay, 1 2 3 4 4 is deleted. I forgot to write 4, that is 4 5 and 5 6. Okay, now domain set is the collection of the first element, that is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, range set is collection of the second element, that is 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 4 5 6, and the whole set of the right hand side is called codomain set, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, next some examples more are coming. Now we are coming to the next problems, that is the example 2. A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and onwards 14 up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A such that R is equal to xy, such that y is equal to 3x, where xy belongs to A. Now write down its domain, codomain and range. Now the first set is A to A, the relation is A to A, and actually the relation y is equal to 3x. Now R should be written as the first element, put x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y, then what is the value of y, 3 ones are 3, now 2 threes are 6, and 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12, 4 threes are 12, and 5 threes are 15, but 15 is not included here. The codomain set is also A. The codomain relation is from A to A, therefore you cannot write 15 here, because the A is bounded up to 14. If you write 5, if you put x is equal to 5, then you will get the value of y, 5 threes are 15. 15 is not included here, therefore the set ends here. This is the end of the set this is the set R of ordered pairs 1 3 2 6 3 9 4 12. Now you are set to write the domain. The domain set is collection of the first element, that is 1 2 3 4, and next range collection of the second element, that is 3 6 9 12, and then codomain set, that is 1 2 3, the whole set 1 2 3 4 5 and up to 14, the whole set is codomain set. Okay, now next example 3, the relation is y is equal to x plus 5, x less than 4 and xy both belonging to set of natural number. X less than 4, that is you have to take the values of x 1 2 3. Now write R x value 1 2 3, 1, put x is equal to 1, you will get 6, that is 1 comma 6, 2 7 3 8. This is the end of the set, because you cannot take x is equal to 4 since it is given that x less than 4. Okay, and since x belongs to set of natural number, you have to start from 1. That is 1 2 3, and corresponding values of y, which is x plus 5 related 6, 7, 8. Now write the domain and range set. Domain and range set. Domain set is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Range set is equal to 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. And codomain set is set of natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and onward. It is an infinite set. Codomain set is set of natural number. Okay. Now next example 4 we are to go to discuss. Now we rub the first one, question number 3, and write here question number 4. Question number 4. This is 4. 4 is determine the domain and range. Here R is equal to the similar type of sums, very easy. X comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to second bracket 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is again a relation. You can see. Now write domain and range. Write domain and range. Okay. Now we are going to write this set in roster form, that is R is equal to this form. This form is called roster form. X plus 5, this is Y. Similar to that, Y is equal to x plus 5. So if you put x is equal to 0, you will get Y is equal to 5. That is 0, 5. 1. If you put x is equal to 1, you will get y is equal to 6. And 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4 plus 5, 9, 5 plus 5, 10. This is end of the set because there is no 6 included here. So you cannot 10 x is equal to 6. This is the roster form, and you can easily write the set domain and range. So the domain is 0, the collection of the first element, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and range is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is all about relation. So today the definition seemed to be tough, but when we discussed about the example, the problems, then I think that all the problems have been understood. That is relation. Now we can say that is very easy to understand. Okay, now in next class we are going to discuss on function. So to get the notification of that class, like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.